Well folks, first trip of the year. I worked all day, 9 to 5, and then drove straight out here and paddled. It's about an hour with the ice breaking. I ran into some ice along the bay where I had to break through, but I'm at camp now. I probably have like an hour before dark. Nothing too exciting. I'm just going to set up camp and get a good night's sleep and see what tomorrow brings. I'm excited. I've been thinking about this all year. Got a lot of gear I want to test, and yeah, hopefully I catch some fish too, but first I got to set up camp. So I'm going with 100% wool blanket, and then I have my new Sea to Summit R3 not Thermarest, but my sleeping mat, and excited to try out my new Marmot Catalyst. I think I'm just going to go to bed here and get some good rest. It's been a long day. But yeah, I got my tent set up, everything put away. Home for 2 days. Coffee, get your feed. Alright, for today's lunch we're having chili with pasta, dehydrated, another dehydrated meal I made last week. So the pasta is about al dente right now. So I'm going to mix that with some warm hot water with the chili mix that I made. I'll show you here. So corn, red pepper, beans, and onions with some turkey. Mixed with tomato sauce, some spices, and a fresh jalapeno. Now to rub my eyes. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to take off the lid here, see how my spicy chili turned out. Take a bite here. Make sure I try some corn and mushrooms, peppers, some onion, turkey. Wow. I can't believe how well the beans, they're all dried and split. They look so good now. It's so weird. Maybe half a jalapeno next time, but I'm sweating, it's nice. Better than shivering. It feels like it's gonna snow. April 16th, and I think it's the earliest I've ever been out. I'm just paddling along, trolling with a crankbait right now. There's a little creek that runs in down by this little wetland at the end here. So I'm going to make my way down. Oh, we got a trout. Hooked him right in the eyeball. Sweet. She's a keeper. Going back to that spot. That's just what I needed. Not bad, not bad. Nice, beautiful trout. Got him here, put him in my fish bag, and do the rest when I get home. got this idea from Justin Barber, an explorer from Newfoundland that travels all over Labrador and Newfoundland. Does like incredible trips. I think right now he's crossing the whole entire Labrador at the moment.